Don't be mean, okay? I'm just finishing my pack. It's almost done. I don't know, Mama. I don't know. Oh my God. I don't need a permit. It's sub 250. It's a tiny little thing, okay?
It's terrific, right? I'm in heaven.
D25s, they actually, I sit it out inside and it was super smooth. So, I haven't flown in a while. Felt like getting a little rip, doing a little rippy rip. Yes, okay, everything is good. Last time I was at 10%, 10 milliwatt. We're gonna just do 2 packs, nice and quick. Goal of the pack, if we can actually, oh my God, if we can actually get over there, if we can actually get there and it not be sketchy, we'll try going through the L. But if we screw up, we might be stuck on the ceiling and never get it back. We cannot have that, can we? You're calling for me out in the night, but it's all bad, and I know that. Everyone's orders are just about done, so I'm ready for a new batch of orders. So if you want one, hit me up. I've just been designing all those stupid mounts for it, so that's kind of what's been taking so long. And then my 3D printer was having problems, and everything in my life, nothing can just be easy. But once all those new designs are done, we have all the angles, and it's just like Caillou Mini has a few angles. We have 0 degrees if you want to mess with 3D. We have 15 degrees, 20 degrees, 25 degrees, 30 degrees, 35, 40, 45, no, 40, 50. We have all those degrees. For now we have for the Antlight, the Runcam Nano 4, and the CO3. So we got a whole pile of compatibility stuff. Now let's go have some fun. Well, I don't want to penetrate the car. Let's just go like this. Woo! Yeah, this feels nice. This feels nice. Can we hit the circle? Should we go from the other end? We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Let's go. What? Woo! Okay, let's try from the other side. Woo! I got scared. Whatever, I did it. I don't have to do it again. I already proved twice or it's not real. I don't know. What?
Oh, it's right there.
Yeah, these props feel much better than the bi-blades. Oh, that feels nice, man.
How is it feel doing this?
Feels good.
Nice.
Yeah, so I'm inside the drone. And it's like you fly it like an airplane. So smooth. Am I sagging? Am I sagging? Yeah. Come on, we can do it. There we go. There we go. My flight time just went from, my flight time dropped from like 5 minutes of ripping to 3 minutes, but I'm much happier with these props. Like, the control feels much better. Phenomenal! Phenomenal! I'd rather have 3 minutes anyways. Like, I prefer 3 minutes of like ripping than like 5 minutes of cruising. Whew. I got excited. My heart is pounding. I haven't flown in a long time. There's lots of people and stuff. That's the kind of stuff that gets me going. Plus, just like being here where anyone can just smack me, there's something exciting about it. But these props are sick. They have a lot of surface, and they're made for the little the balls. They're like soccer. They're made for those, like the soccer balls that have drones in them. Severely cut my flight time, but also severely upgraded the performance of the drone. Okay, let's go. Everything's really tight though.
Get it right, get it right, get it tight.
You always have to be careful you don't cut your cord and that you're not hitting the battery. Yeah, this feels much better. This feels much better. That's how I want it to feel. We're gonna arm in 3, 2, 1. Okay, clicky click, let's go. Woo. Now, did I hit record? Yes, I did. Okay. Explorative flight or keep trying to bloody trippy spin? Is that my family? That's my family. It's my family. Oh my god, my bag just fell on me. Okay, I gotta kill this pack. We're just gonna.
There's some guy that came
really
in beside
fast.
us, and this guy was clearing out racks of candy. And I'm
Oh,
going, hello?
do it again. 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 Do it again now. Whoa! I did it. Oh, that's behind me. Okay. Let me just try and get my trippy spin. Let me see if I can bloody trippy spin. Kind of. Maybe the other way.
Matthew,
Yeah.
you want a chocolate bar or not?
Yes.
A Wonder Bar?
Why is it?
Huh?
Yeah, sure.
A Wonder Bar, a Snickers, or a Mr. Big, or a Kit Kat?
Kit Kat? Wonder?
You only get one.
Wonder? Kit Kat? I don't know. Which one has more grams?
Which one, Matt?
Which one has more grams?
I don't know, just pick one. Or you're not gonna get any.
Don't be mean, okay? I'm just finishing my pack. It's almost done. I don't know, Mama. I don't know. Oh my god. I don't need a permit. It's sub 250. It's a tiny little thing, okay? We got a Karen! Very nice, very nice. Ooh. Very nice indeed. Ariel! windows on. Okay. We had a Karen too. What more could one ask for? Now we have to go to the movies. You left the windows open!